Hello, welcome to part 3 on the restoration of the 48-inch pipe wrench. On this episode, we're going to go ahead and get the piece added in here that's supposed to be there. And I already cleaned it up a pretty good bit. I couldn't wait on after the last episode. But I got to grind these cracks out and fix them. And just go over it and straighten up a few things. So let me get the camera fixed up and we'll get started. Okay, here we are with another mock-up. So I just have the rivet dropped in from the top. The other end's not peened over. Here's my spring that I made out of the saw blade. It's just actually just barely sitting on the pin right now. So there's the bottom piece right there that I added in, the little brace. And see the crack, we got the crack all welded up. So there we go. And it's not quite in all the way, but the jaw has nice opening to it. And then of course when you pull with it, it articulates and it'll squeeze the spring real well. Now that the handle's straight. So here we go. That's a good stopping point on this episode. And on the next one, probably do a little bit of fit and finish, get it all cleaned up. There's no real big marks in here, and as I've been working on it, I've been taking care of stuff on this bracket. The jaw is not too bad. I think the jaws are going to be hardened. I'm probably not going to do much with the teeth. I'll hit them with a file. If it doesn't react real well, they're just going to be the way they are. But anyhow, we'll do a good cleanup. And I don't know. See how much I get into finishing. I know this has got some mushrooming on it. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to clean that up. Get a nice bevel on there. I don't know if we'll get some paint on it or not. That paint might be an episode all of its own with a finale. So there we go. Got her all fixed up. We're looking pretty good here. If you want to compare, here's the other one that's very similar to it. This is the 36 inch one. So, oops, spring popped off. Anyhow, so there we go. Can't really see this guy too good because it's rusty. That's where we're at with him. All right, till next time.